Hi navigators, welcome back to our channel. So a few weeks ago, I was deciding that I'm going to switch the way that I do things. I have been cutting back on my alcohol consumption and lots of other things. With that being said, I do enjoy a drink, not nightly, but every now and then. And I noticed that I was having more drinks, more wine that I would actually like to have, so I've switched. I jumped into the adaptogenic non-alcoholic cocktails. So the first one I tried was Curious Elixirs, and I posted that for you guys. You got to see what I unboxed. I really liked them. However, did you feel that butt coming along? The price point is so expensive. So out of the 4 drinks that I showed you guys that I unboxed, there's supposed to be 2 drinks in each little bottle. So that means I get 8 drinks, and that was like $60 with tax. And I'm like, gosh, 8 drinks for $60. That's just not, that's a luxury item to me, okay? That's not something that I can keep going all the time. Or, I mean, I could, but I don't want to. I just don't want to spend that much money on that. So I have found something that I feel like is better for my price point, and it really does relax me. I mean, it just almost puts me to sleep within an hour of drinking it. So let me show you what I got. They sell these I got them on Amazon. I tried it because I have a little place called Rainbow Blossom. It's like a little health food place here in my area, but these are called Moment. And this one is blackberry lavender. I love that. Another one I have is it's mango chili. And then another one, this is the last one I have. It's strawberry rose, and they have filtered ones made with filtered water, and they have ones made with sparkling water. So these are actually water. It's not any sort of substitute, any syrupy thing, but in it, it has adaptogens, and it has ashwagandha, which I love that because that just kind of puts me to sleep. I really love that. It has L-theanine, which is a green tea, helps clear your mind, but there's no caffeine in them. This is what I like when I drink them before I go to bed. And then this one, which it has the rose, it's like helps boost vitality. And then the chili mango, it has all the same things, the adaptogens, it has the ashwagandha, it has the L-theanine, but this one has the apple cider vinegar in it, and it's great for detox. And then the last one that I have, like I said, blackberry lavender. This one has all the things the other ones has, but it has the lavender in it, so it's calming. They are all calming to me. I'm telling you, again, within an hour, I am like ready to fall asleep. So I have one each night. I so look forward to it. It's 10 calories per can, and there's no sugar. Oh, guys, you gotta give it a shot. I do these over the Curious Elixirs any day for the same reasons as I mentioned before. Curious Elixirs is just so expensive. Yeah, they're neat and they taste differently, but so do these. And these are like $3.29. And I feel like I'm getting about the same amount. I'm getting a 12 ounce, they're 12 ounces, 11.5 ounces that I was getting in the Curious Elixir drink, the bottles that I was getting, and it was like twice the amount. So almost 3 times the amount. Anyway, give it a shot. Let me know what you think. And if there's anything else you want me to try, share. Talk soon.